Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. So now guys, there are certain things you see in life and the first thought that comes to your mind is, well, that was just stupid. So now that was the first thought that I had when I first saw this clip that I'm about to show you now. So I'll show you the clip.
Thank you now. How much you want to give me no business? I don't be giving money for this one. I will pay a lot of money. Don't worry now. Don't do like that. I don't like how my way is. Open me price. Open me price.
So now guys, I want to know if you share with me. So come into the comment section. I want to know if you share with me that first thought that, well, that was just stupid. So there you saw a young lady. She'll be round about what, 19 to 23, no more than 23, I shouldn't imagine, tattooing on her face the words, "Angela is my love." So Angela is my love. Yes, she has a boyfriend, and of course she is madly in love with him, certainly, clearly from that clip. But then of course, to go to that length to tattoo the words "Angela is my love," I think that was what she tattooed, to tattoo the words "Angela is my love" on her face, not on her arm, not on her back, not even on her butt cheek, but on her face. Well, that was just stupid, and there really is no excuse for that. You cannot equate youth with stupidity. So we cannot excuse the fact that she is young to excuse this thing that she has done, which is an act of sheer and mindless stupidity. So I mean, all of the things that I'm going to say on these videos are the thoughts that you will be having already about what you just saw. So when that guy leaves her, or if that guy leaves her, then what happens to that tattoo? Because it is very easy to put a tattoo on your face, but it is very difficult to have that tattoo removed. It is near impossible to have it removed in Nigeria. So long after Angela is now gone to the next babe, this girl now will be walking around for the rest of her life with Angela is my love tattooed on her face. So now that was just stupid. It's exactly the thought, but what you're thinking is what I am interested in, because this really is not the usual diet of this channel, as you know, but this stunned me. It really shocked me when I saw it, so I decided to make a video about it just to sample your opinion. So come tell me in the comment section exactly what you're making of what you just saw. So you know what I am making of it. That was just stupid. It's my gut instinct. But what is your gut instinct? Come tell me all about it in the comment section. But before you do that, click on the red subscribe button so it turns gray. Bell button notifies you every time I drop a new video. Then come tell me now what you're making of the antics of the young people of these days in the comment section. So I'll leave you here.